Yes. Yes. Okay, no shenanigans. Let's jump straight in. MaddVladd is the name. And Sons of the Forest is the game. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Sons of the Forest. Nice. Nice. Okay, there we go. Oh, wow. The electric lighter is so awesome. I'm wondering if it has like a battery life. Same sound. Bats look a lot better. I'm a little scared, and I may just turn around and run. I might just do that. What am I seeing? Backing up. Backing up. Running. Running. I'm out of here. Not yet. Not yet, bro. What'd you find, dude? I still haven't passed it, Papa. Give me them blueberries. Listen to the water. Look what I found. That's not good. I'll tell you what I'm going to do, too. I'm going to shrink myself a little bit. All right, come on, Calvin. Oh, my God. They move so crazy. Hey, guys, what's going on? Calm down, calm down, calm down. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Calvin, yeah, I see it, man. Bro. Dude. We cannot attack. Dude. The new sounds are insane. Bro. What is this? That's a golf cart. I've got a weird feeling, too, that the cannibal... There is some kind of slimy goop in here. Do not leave freezer door open. Well, it looks like that's exactly what they did. Hey, Calvin. Follow me, bro. They're still out there. Whoa. Whoa. There she is. No, 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 no. Don't run. Oh, man. Bro. Good God, dude. Come on, Calvin. You want a blueberry, Kelv? You're standing in a blueberry bush, dude. Eat up. There we go, baby. Our first fire. Yeah, man. Feels good, don't it? Look at him. Oh, he's asleep, dude. Wake up, dude. Bro, come on, man. We got to go to the next nav. It's better to make friends than enemies, you know what I mean? Calvin, dude, yes, I know. They're right. They're not attacking us, though, bro. Leave them alone. Why didn't you just come that way? He's scared. Oh, my God, bro. Was that you, Kelv? Bro, you good, man? I'm going in, bro. I'm sorry. God, it's so massive. Shut up. Dude, we've been walking forever. Forever, dude. God, that makes me want to pee. So now I know why. I am blown away. This is everything we could have ever wanted. There's a chubby cannibal here. He's still running at us. No! Are you okay, dog? I want to move here in real life. What am I hearing? Hey, man, are you okay? I'm going to tell him to stay here. Aha. He's asleep. Let's just be very quiet. Kelv? Kelv, what are you doing, man? I told him to stay. This is a main cannibal camp. Kelv, what are you doing, man? He gave away my position! There's supposed to be a cave here. Shh! Or rope. What? Maybe this... Ah! We're getting out of here. Where is Kelv? Ah! Okay. All right. All right. Let's pull our axe back out. It's no mercy this time. Why are you running now? Huh? Okay. Let's cut down some trees, man. Hey, man. What's up? Watch out, man. I'm building, man. I think I'm going to build like a shotgun base or something. Okay, so it looks... Yeah, oh, that was the first straw. You threw first blow. Calvin's hurt. Dude, you can't hit these guys. These dudes are done for. Stupid cannibals. I knew I couldn't trust you. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's a moose. Mingle with each other? And possibly get into a fight themselves? Today has been a very, very long day. Kelv. Come on, Kelv. And there's a tarp. Awesome. Awesome. These laser levels, man. Why do they got these laser levels out here? Very strange. Another cave system. All right, let's go in. Which is really stupid. So what we're going to have to do, let's get out of this cave system. Back to back to back. Probably 2 a day. Well, at least for the first couple days. Thank you guys for tuning into this. This is amazing. I'll see you in the next one.